You ready?
My name is William. I'm in 7th grade and I go to Success Academy, Bronxwood Middle School.
Good morning, William.
In kindergarten, I learned how to play chess. I immediately fell in love with it because of its complexity. My dad started playing with me because he saw how important it was. Usually I win. Chess has helped me learn focus, hard work, and fun. My favorite thing about school, besides chess obviously, it's all the fun things we get to do in our classroom.
If you do radius to the second power times pi, that gets you to the area.
That you are going to have to determine what
When I graduate from college, I want to go into the field of biotechnology because in science, we get to do really cool experiments. I find it really amazing. When my sister asked me for help, I told her to always focus and listen because if she works hard, she'll be considered the best.